Home Depot's Spring Black Friday sale just started. So I did a deep dive into the entire Spring Black Friday sale. We are picking out the best deals that are worth your money this year and showing you how they compare to last year's deals. Plus, this video is completely shoppable, so if you love these deals, hit the links below to shop them too. While you're at it, be sure to like and subscribe the Krazy Coupon Ladies YouTube channel so we can teach you more of our favorite shopping strategies. The big doorbuster deal, always advertised on the first page of the Spring Black Friday ad, is for Mulch. This is one of the lowest prices that we see on Mulch all year long at any store. You can get 5 bags of Scott EarthGro mulch for $10, but you don't have to actually buy them in increments of 5 in order to get the sales price of $2. It just has to be the 1.5 cubic foot bags. So you're paying $2 per bag, which comes out to a price per cubic foot of $1.33. We always say you should pay no more than $1.50 per cubic foot, so this is worth it. And you can pick from brown, black, or red mulch. One of the biggest discounts we see during the Home Depot Spring Black Friday sale is on the annual flowers like marigolds, magnolias, and petunias, and whatever else grows in your region. These 4.5-inch annuals drop down to only $1 each with a 5 for 5 deal, so you're getting them for 50% off. The flowers during the Spring Black Friday sale are always a while supplies last kind of thing, so be sure to head to the store within the first 5 days of the sale if you really want to stock up. And if you don't see them in your store this go around, they might pop up later in this month, so keep an eye out. As for other plant deals worth a buy at Home Depot, they have this tomato plant on sale for 98 cents each. The size plant is normally $2.98 a piece, so you're getting them for 67% off. This is pretty much the lowest price you're going to see on veggies at Home Depot all year long. That's because they usually go on sale for about $4 each for Memorial Day and $5 each for 4th of July. So getting them for less than $1 each is a really great deal. Just like the flowers, you might not have this deal in your region, but it could pop up later in the month. Another hot deal in the garden center is the big bags of MiracleGro garden soil. These often go on sale 3 for $10, but during the Spring Black Friday sale, it's 5 for $10. That gives you a sale price of $2 per bag or 56% off the regular price. They run this deal pretty much every year, and it's almost as popular as the 5 for $10 mulch. If you're in the market for pavers, definitely check out the Spring Black Friday deal on the 4x8 Holland pavers. These are normally 68 cents each, but they're on sale for 25 cents each or 4 for $1, which saves you 63% off the regular price. This is one of their most popular deals every year, and we do tend to see these run out before the end of the sale, so I wouldn't wait too long. These have a few colors to choose from, but it depends on what your store has in stock.
All right, let's go ahead inside so I can show you a few more finds that are not in the garden center. Krazy Coupon Lady shoppers loved this deal last year, and it is back for 2025. It is the Hampton Bay solar LED lights. They are normally $9.97, and they are going to be on sale for $7.88 for Spring Black Friday.
If you weren't able to get a patio set on clearance last fall when we shared some of those on the Krazy Coupon Lady app, now's your time to save around 20 to 25% on a new set. The biggest discounts tend to be on the Home Depot door brands like Stylewell. This year, they have a 6-piece Stylewell dining set with an umbrella for $99, normally $129. This is a 23% off savings. You're getting 4 chairs, a table, and an umbrella for that price. But the discounts get so much better if you can wait until August or September when Home Depot puts their patio furniture on clearance for up to 90% off in the stores and online. Home Depot's offering these buy one, get one free 20-inch wine barrel resin planterns. They are $16.97 each, so you're going to end up getting 2 for that price. So you're going to save 50% off on these huge lanterns. I saved the tool deals for last since they tend to vary depending on what you're shopping for. For most tools, you're going to find better prices if you just wait for the Home Depot Black Friday sale in November. That's when they tend to do buy one, get one free deals on certain Ryobi power tools and other brands. But if you can't wait and you need a really good deal now, they do have a deal on Ryobi battery-powered yard tools for the Spring Black Friday sale. If you can, I'd go with a slightly more powerful 40-volt toolkit, which is going to be on sale for $199 this year, regularly $249. And one last deal I'll show you is on this Husky 15-inch zippered tool bag. It's normally $19.98, but for the Spring Black Friday sale, it will be $14.98, so you're saving 26% off.
Okay, those were just some of my favorite deals for the Home Depot Spring Black Friday sale. but there are a lot worth shopping for. This entire video is shoppable, so check out the links below and start shopping now. If you're planning on shopping this sale in store, be sure to sign up for the Home Depot emails because you can get a 5 off of 50 coupon that is valid for about 2 weeks and it's only good for in-store only. So sign up now so that way you'll have it to shop for during the Home Depot Spring Black Friday sale. And one final note, be sure to download the Krazy Coupon Lady app where you can get alerted right when Home Depot sales go live using our deal planner feature.